I'm Steve Brammer. This is my layout, Hawkswood Junction. Manchester, Sheffield and Lincolnshire Railway, loosely based on Shire Oaks and Woodhouse. So the station buildings are Shire Oaks before half of them were demolished, and the layout is similar to Woodhouse Station near Sheffield. It's 4mm to the foot and it's double O gauge with fine scale track, and the size of the layout is 20 foot by 10 feet. Control system is Gauge Master Prodigy and DCC.
Introducing Key Model World, your new online destination for everything railway and scale modelling. Featuring exclusive videos and features, unseen images, step-by-step guides, railway history and the latest news. Plus, it's home to our full layout build series.
I'm going to stop you right there though, because I didn't do this. This is all you're doing.
Join us for the latest content from Key Publishing's modelling titles, Hornby magazine and Airfix Model World. Sign up today for as little as £3.75 per month, or if you're a magazine subscriber, bolt Key Model World onto your subscription package now. For more details, visit keymodelworld.com.